me your cup. Let me see it. Let me see it. Show me McQueen. Where's McQueen? Oh, that's the movie, huh? What happened? Is he sad?
Sad.
He's sad?
Sad.
It is very different, though, visiting someone else's child and having your own responsibility 24/7. I mean, it's way different when I was an aunt to Whitney.
Right. When they have a movie.
They had a Whitney. Because I would just
Show me your cheeks.
fun stuff. It was almost like being a
Hey.
parent. You know, come on up, let's have ice cream, we'll go to the park, and I'll bring you back off the road. You know, that was what it was like.
Asian kitty.
There's Emma. Hi, Emma. Hi, Emma. I'm surprised she's coming near. She walked right over. Hi, Emma. Hi, Emma. No, she's wet because outside it's raining. She's all wet.
It's very fun.
It's not raining out there anymore.
No. Don't do that to Emma. Don't do that to Emma.
No.
She won't want to go near you. Be nice. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Let's get your drink. Yeah, your cup is right there. Let's sit down. Hi, kitty. All wet. The kitty's
Hey,
all wet.
Gage, is the kitty wet? Really? Show me. You got your hands? Easy. Hey,
Good boy.
look at my camera.
No.
No.
Emma. That's Gage's cup.
Easy. What a tonto. What happened?
The kitty went on your nose? Uh-huh.
Whoa. Is the kitty wet? Say yes. All right.
Hey, Gage.
What?
How old are you?
Hey. What happened? You got hair? Oh, say wakala.
Your nose?
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye to the camera.